Hey guys, Disney Collector here with 10 super cool toy surprises, including My Little Pony, Lego toys, Kinder Surprise, Frozen, and much more. Let's start opening these egg surprises. First one from Disney Princess. Here we have a cookie, one keychain of Snow White, a flyer, and one sticker of Sleeping Beauty. The keychain is made of a soft rubber. Chupa Chups Lollipop Surprise. We have here a buildable toy, flyer, and one lollipop. The toy is a race car, almost like Francesco Bernoulli, even has the number 1. Shopkins Basket Surprise. The adorable basket with surprise Shopkins inside and the Shopkins shopping checklist. Let's open the surprises here. This is Frankfurter. And alpha soup. These Shopkins are super colorful and adorable. Minnie Mouse chocolate surprise. Inside we have one Minnie Mouse, shoes, stickers, and a flyer. Peppa Pig. Jelly beans, a little Peppa Pig comb, stickers, and a flyer. Kinder Surprise, Kinder Chocolate. So good. And a toy. Wow, this is a plane. Turkish Airlines. Lego Toys Egg Surprise. This egg can also be your little piggy bank. Comes with candy and your buildable Lego. So here we have the Lego Firefighter. Frozen chocolate surprise. We just got Princess Anna of Arendelle and one flyer. Hello Kitty. Oh, this Hello Kitty is eating melon. She's super cute. Now our last egg surprise is from My Little Pony. Purple egg. One My Little Pony comb. Hard candy shaped as hearts. One sticker. And the My Little Pony flyer. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more egg surprises right here on Disney Collector.